For over 50 years, Carnaby Street has been a hub for London's pop culture, from mods, rockers to ravers. Today, the MUAs will each have to create a look inspired by a different decade from this street's musical past.
In order to be a successful makeup artist, not only do you have to know how to do makeup today, you have to have a knowledge of makeup past.
The importance of knowing your references is because really in makeup there is nothing new, but what there is a new hand and a new eye.
For this brief, the decades have been allocated at random.
Okay, MUAs, what we're looking for is something bold, big and brazen. You can do anything. You can make it authentic, or you can just take a modern twist on it. But whatever it is, it has to represent your decade clearly.
You have 2 hours to complete your look. So let's get a wiggle on. Your time starts now.
Okay.
The MUAs each have 2 models.
Hello!
And just 2 hours.
I'm so over the moon that I got the 60s. As soon as we heard we were getting eras, I was like, I want 60s. I love the female makeup at the time. So Twiggy, Bridget Bardot, that sort of look. I don't want to just replicate a Twiggy look. I want to take it to the next level. Dom has mentioned that he wants something big and bold, so I really want to deliver that. Linda, what are your thoughts? Love that. Yeah. Love, love, love.
In my head, Bowie went paler with his makeup.
Yeah, he did.
He did, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
But not all the MUAs are feeling confident in their knowledge of iconic makeup eras.
I don't know much about the 70s, but it's helping me out a lot. I'm doing 2 looks today to show that I can be versatile. My male model is going to be my rock and roll model. I'm thinking like Bowie. My female model is going to be my disco model. I'm going to just try diamantes. That's right, Tiff?
I really want to put my twist on 80s punk. So I want to make sure the look are really, really strong and dramatic.
Lee is taking inspiration from the 1980s London punk scene. Dramatic, smoky eyes and richly coloured lips.
Would you rather do the smoky or the precision stuff? Because it needs to be really symmetrical. Do you want to swap then?
Yeah, that's fine.
We're just going to try and split as much as possible to make sure it's done in time.
MUAs, you have 1 hour left. Get a move on.
Oh. Come on, step it up, step it up, step it up.
I get the impression she might want us to step it up.
I'm loving what Belinda's doing at the minute. I think it is very 60s.
Well, so far it's not really exciting me. I'm not sure if it's telling of the loud statement that I was hoping to see.
I'm ready whenever you are.
Yeah?
Switch, yeah.
OK, thank you.
Lee is utilising his assistant's best qualities for his makeup.
Clever move.
I'm really happy with the way that both models are looking at the minute. I think because me and Bran have switched between models, there's equal work on both, which is what I really wanted from today.
Tiff, do you think it looks too feminine?
With less than 30 minutes remaining, Nikki has finally moved on to her rock and roll male model.
No. Bowie was very feminine.
OK. A bit on edge because the rock's the one that I struggle with, and the judges asked for it to be big and bold. So my biggest concern right now is it enough? I'm just worried that it's not enough, Tiff.
Don't panic.
Blend her lips a little bit more.
Yeah.
I want it to look like these guys are a couple and that they've been kissing.
Sunny's dabbing over a tiny bit because I feel like it's a bit too black.
I'll show you quick.
I think I could add one more diamante.
OK, that's it.
It's really striking.
And the lips. Love the lip.
Reminds me kind of like a Joker vibe, but in a good way.
High fashion Joker.
Yeah.
I feel a bit nervous because everyone's gone a bit bigger and a bit brighter than I have.
The makeup looks pretty wild.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's matching the fluoro hoodie. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, you don't see that every day.
I think it looks sick.
You feel a little sick? Why do you feel
No, I
sick?
said I think they look sick.
Oh, they look sick. OK.